Hello, and welcome back to The Broken Doll on the YouTube channel. I am here today for a Halloween to-do with my wonderful daughter.
Hi everybody. So this is a little different. We decided that we're going to do a series where we do wonderful confectionery and other Halloween spooky treats. Why? Because, well, why not? So we're taking a minor step to the side of dolls, not necessarily away. As you can see, we have one featured. Mom, what is this?
This is Brother Coos from the 1930s, dressed up as a monster. I hope it doesn't scare you.
I wrote a script of to describe what we're making today. Let me pull it up here. So what we are making today is spooky witch brooms. This one was my mom's idea. She found this one, so we're starting off with my mom's idea. Witches brooms have enchanted children and women children alike like me for centuries. And tonight we will take you away on an enchanting witches broomstick flight of fancy to a Hogwarts adjacent no copyright infringement ride. So strap yourselves in and pull down your pants. We're making chocolate witchy brooms. And so all you will need is really 3 ingredients. You have these, what are these? Pretzel sticks?
Salted pretzel sticks.
Now, the recipe calls for much longer ones, but these were the longest ones we could find. Then we have milk chocolate melting wafers. And we have, well, we couldn't find yellow, so we got gold gel. Oh, it is gel. Oh, were we supposed to get gel? Well, okay, we're using it. Gel writer. The instructions said icing writer. Does this still count?
Yep.
Yeah, you know what? I'm not going to Bulk Barn
It is going to
at 8:30 at night to fix it. The first step you will need to do is take out your parchment paper. I would take out kind of a lot. Well, not a lot. Well, you know, I don't want spanning the table like a Dead Sea Scroll. We just need it to go like from here to here probably. So we're going to use the parchment paper as our workspace. I wanted to see down my blouse. So we're going to line up the sticks. We're going to make a broom shape. You know, like, to be fair, let me say something about this. A lot of these recipes are American, and Americans have access to things that we don't here in Canada. Like, this may be as long of a pretzel stick as you're gonna find here in the snowy north.
I'm breaking.
So you gotta break them.
I am breaking the pretzels to make the broom, the brush part.
That's right, to make the brush part. And do different sizes too. Like, you know, get little nubs. We're gonna do different sizes because, as we know, witches' brooms are not perfect. Okay, oh no, that's too long. Okay, there we go. Yeah, these are looking, oh Mom, that's a lot.
I know.
It's kind of a lot.
My witch is overweight. So these are going to be for thinner.
I feel like I'm competing, my shirt's competing with the tablecloth.
There we go.
Okay, so, oh, maybe we should show our faces. Okay, so we now have all of our broomsticks lined up. Now, the next step is to melt our chocolate melting wafers. I know that this is the wrong thing to do. I'm gonna start with that. But screw doing the right thing. It's Halloween. It's chaotic, you know, it's witches' rules. We're going to melt them in the microwave today. We got our chocolate melting wafers, and I'm gonna put them in this bowl, because this bowl's a little tiny. And now we're gonna put them in the microwave. So, what do you think, Mom? Like 30 seconds,
Yeah,
and I'll give it a shot here. Okay. Ooh, that's hot. All right, let's see if we can whisk these wafers. Can we? Oh, shoot, yep, yeah, okay, Mom, yeah, we're getting, well, yeah, that actually melted pretty well. I'm actually really impressed by it.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
That was pretty good, okay. Yeah. So, hold this bag, I'm going to pour it in to the bag. This may not be delicate, so go for it, go. Keep going, Mom, keep going. You have to go like, okay, I don't have enough chocolate down here. You have to go like this, like.
Oh, up and down them.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Okay, I get you now.
Actually, this is solidifying quite well.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to make sure these pretzel bits really. Oh, this is hard. Okay, so you have to like kind of weave it into the broom so it all becomes one unified structure. Oh, I need more chocolate over here. Ah, I feel like this has beat the clock a little bit. Wait, Mom, are you getting it? Oh, okay, good. Yeah, no, sorry. I'm not used to my mom recording for me. My mom's doing a very good job. That's it. Go all along the length of the pretzel. Yeah, you got it. You're doing it. And you still have a lot of chocolate in here, so if you need more.
Yeah, there's a lot to squeeze yet.
Yeah. I mean, they don't look great, but they don't look bad either. I'm not gonna hear it. There we go. Hey, that's good. Make sure there's a lot to bridge it at the intersection there. That's really good. Okay, so here are our brooms so far. Now we have to use well, this is gold. I couldn't find yellow. Ryder, you want to get that out? Polar's very traumatized. Hi, Polar, guys. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is what I saw online. You're supposed to take like a string of. Oh. Whoa! Why does it?
There you go.
Hold on, sorry. We had some technical It came out kind of watery at first.
Yeah, maybe some of the oil.
Maybe you're supposed to shake these. Jeez, why is it coming out like that? Okay, just fake it till you make it, folks. So you're supposed to do like a line of like yellow going across the broom, like that. I'm also gonna do some like lines, like, you know.
Yeah, because it's straw.
Yeah, like lines like, ooh, magic. Yeah, there you go. And then you do like another line like here. Yeah, and then you do, yeah. You know, the gel is hard. Okay, go ahead and do yours, Mom. Witches Broomsticks. Oh, we're really good at this.
Oh my goodness.
So in case you have inquiries, yes, we do weddings, bar mitzvahs, birthday parties. If you need witches brooms, we got you. Guarantee.
If they turn out really good, we will not give them to you. We promise that.
Yeah, then we will go back on our contract. Sue us. Okay, this is phenomenal. I'm having a blast.
There we go. Well, there we go.
So, here's
There's our.
Sorry.
There's our brooms.
There's the witches brooms.
Yeah.
So they need to go in the fridge for 10 minutes to set up. We'll catch you on the other side of that. And oh, Pepper just gave me a killer clown. That was good timing. And we will see how that goes 10 minutes later.
10 minutes have now passed. They have set and they're ready to be eaten. Or for our little witches to come in, especially the overweight one, to come and pick up a broom to fly through the night. I have a song. Are we ready?
I don't know the lyrics. I'm just gonna stand here.
Tonight is the night when the dead leaves flies like witches on switches across the sky. When the moon gives out that eerie sight. Or tonight, well, it really isn't tonight, is the night of Halloween night. Eat a broom.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, they set up actually really quick. I still suggest waiting the full 10 minutes. You know, I wanted to just grab at these immediately. They're really fun to look at. Only one did not survive. I don't know what you call this.
A broken broom.
Anyway, yep, the rest of them came out. They're holding together, even though we had to do the two sticks together. Like, it's actually held up really well. Look at this thing.
For the overweight witch, she is.
Oh my god.
She now has her broom and she's ready to fly on.
Yeah, this is I wouldn't be waving this around, you know, anything crazy, but yeah, it's pretty good. So chocolate and, you know, pretzel, you can't go wrong. Ah!
Mm.
Yeah, chocolate and pretzel, you can't go wrong with that. That's pretty good.
It's a great combination.
That's right. Well, everyone, thank you for watching this kind of random video. We will upload these every Sunday leading up to Halloween. I hope everyone had a great night. Thank you for watching. Anything you want to say on your way out?
Really good.
Okay.